Good morning everyone. It is another wet and rainy day here today, which really only leaves us with one choice, and that's to have another baking day. Today we are going to be making pumpkin blondie. This is a really easy recipe and you only require a handful of ingredients, most of which you should already have on hand in your pantry. I should note that for this recipe I am going to be using fresh pumpkin that I have pureed myself, as I have so much on hand. I've already gone ahead and preheated the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, so let's start mixing our ingredients together. We're going to start by mixing 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, and finally a teaspoon of salt. You just want to make sure you thoroughly mix this in. If you don't have your own pumpkin spice, it's quite easy just to make your own. It's a mixture of cinnamon, ginger, nutmeg, allspice, and cloves. Next, we're going to beat 1 cup of unsalted butter until creamy. Once your butter is nice and creamy, you're going to add in 1 3/4 cups of sugar, now we're going to add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, and 1.5 cups of pumpkin puree. We're going to now slowly mix in our dry ingredients. Lastly, we're going to add 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. So now that the batter's all made, I'm going to pour it into my already greased baking tin. So it's not a very big one. I've measured it. It's 27 by 21 centimeters, if that helps any of you. So now I'm going to bake it in the oven for 35 to 40 minutes. So we're going to let this cool in the pan for about 20 minutes before slicing. It smells incredible. Oh, there you have it guys. Delicious pumpkin blondies. I think it's time for a little taste. Cheers. It is that pumpkin spice that absolutely seals the deal on these ones. I highly recommend that you guys try these. These are delicious. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, consider liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for more pumpkin recipes in the future.